So today we're gonna make a Pulpo a la gallega Spanish dish. So first of all, hygiene is very important. Okay. So today we will cut the huge steam octopus. So look at that. Here we have a huge octopus. So we will cut his all leg portion wise. So first of all we will start from his head. And his head is useless, right? So we will start the cut all of his leg, and we will cut all of them as a portion wise. So you can see how I'm cutting. So it's very important if we are serving as a portion, so portion matters. So you can see, be careful with your hand. It's very important to save our hand. You can see in my hand I have one portion. So same like that, we will cut all of that, as a portion wise. So it's my second portion. So now it's time to cut the third one. So here we go. So same like this, we will cut all of them portion wise, right? So almost it's done. So now it's portion time. So we will put 5 slices of this steam octopus potato, which we made from boiled octopus water. So it's time for a portion. So now we will arrange all of these 5 pieces of potato and 1 piece of octopus leg. And it's time to grill this one, the octopus leg. So flip it. Then it's time to put inside the oven for a couple of minutes. So right now it's cooked and we have to serve it to the guest. So it's time to arrange all the potato, right? And then we will put the octopus. We will arrange it nicely, right? So you can see. And now we will put the green bread on the top. Then we will put the smoked paprika as well as, so you can see, so I'm putting the smoked paprika. So it's a rustic plate, right? So now on the top of half of leg of this octopus we will put the octopus mayonnaise, which we made from the octopus water, salt, pepper, shantana and corn oil. So it's a rustic plating, okay? So don't say like that, it's looking like bad, right? It's a rustic plating,